Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today we're going to take a look at Malabrigo Dos Tierras. Here are some key things you need to know about Malabrigo Dos Tierras. This yarn is DK weight. It's made from 50% merino and 50% baby alpaca. It comes in a 100 gram, 210 yard hank, and this yarn is great for soft and warm garments and accessories. Now let's get into the detailed review. Okay, Malabrigo Dos Tierras. As you can see here, I have this gorgeous color palette that we picked out to show you guys. It's got a range of gorgeous tonals in it. I really love the way the alpaca and the wool kind of work together to sort of give this like almost heathered look to the colors. I'll show you a couple of them here because you can really see it in some of these colors. Malabrigo does a beautiful job dyeing their tonal colors anyway, but this mix of fibers just really gives this gorgeous depth to every color. So I feel like it looks just a little bit heathered, and it's definitely going to be a great choice for something that has a lot of patterning, but that you still want a yarn that has some interest to it. So you could definitely do like cables or lace or something like that and have a really beautiful finished product. They do suggest a size 5 to 6 needle. And then if you look at the strand itself, I am gonna recommend that you pick a needle that's a little bit blunter on the end, like maybe a wood or bamboo, and that's just because the way the fibers are plied together, it feels like it could be a little bit splitty when you're working with it. And it is a 2-ply, but each of those plies is made up of 2 plies, so technically there are 4 plies in here, but the way they separate it and have 2 plies plied together that are then plied together into a 4th one just makes for a really beautifully textured yarn, but it could cause a little bit of splitting, so keep that in mind when you're making your needle choice. They do recommend that you hand wash it, so if you're planning on using it for a gift, that would be something to consider. But yeah, I mean, it is just a really gorgeous yarn. The hand is so soft and it would be so drapey when you're finished knitting it up because of that alpaca. It's got just the littlest bit of halo to it also, which is super nice for a lot of those kind of popular mohair type of patterns that you see out there. You can get that effect with a yarn like this without having to actually work with mohair, which is a nice aspect about it too. So yeah, that is Malabrigo Dos Tierras. All right, so that was Malabrigo Dos Tierras, a really great yarn for transitional sweaters. I'm Rachel, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!